Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Hope all are fine. Now we are going to see chapter 7, that is preposition. Standard 5, chapter 7, preposition. A word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show in what relation the person or thing denoted by it stands there in regard to something else is called preposition. Pre means before and position means place. So preposition uh, is a place, okay, is a word, or prepositions are to be put before noun or pronoun. The boy lived in the town. She spread a soft mat for him. The rainbow stretched across the sky. The cat is on the sofa. So, dear friends, without preposition, the sentence is incomplete. If there is no preposition, no meaning for the sentence. So, we will solve the exercise. Underline the preposition in the following sentences. We will solve 10. Rest all you can do it for your homework. Once there lived a couple who spent a lot of time in idle talk. So of and in both are prepositions. I do all the hard work running after the running after the cows. So after is a preposition. Germany had defeated several teams to enter the final against the Indian team. So to and against both are prepositions. Skillfully he took the ball away from the German defender. So from is a preposition. A defeat stared them in the face. In is a preposition. He immediately returned to the field and held the spectator spellbound with his game. So to and with both are prepositions. Dhyanchand turned down the offer. Down is a preposition. The famous National Stadium in Delhi is named after the great hero Dhyanchand. So in and after both are prepositions. I ate 2 or 3 loaves at a time. At is a preposition. I am terribly afraid of falling myself. So of is a preposition. They can move to any spot on the board. To and on both are prepositions. He shot through the air and landed safely on the other side. Through and on both are prepositions. The lion sprang across the ditch again. Across is a preposition. It is impossible to find violets in the snow. To and in both are prepositions. At last she saw a light in the distance. At and in both are prepositions. So dear students, we have nearly solved 15 exercises. Okay, we will turn to the page. There are altogether 30. Half exercise we have solved. Now half you can do it for your homework. Now we are going to see textual questions on grammar. Underline the preposition. Now change the meaning of the sentence by changing the preposition. So the tiger jumped into the river. So into is a preposition. Okay, into is a preposition. We will change the sentence. The tiger jumped across the river. Next, put the cubes in the box. So in is a preposition. We will change the sentence. Put the cubes on the box. We travel to Mumbai by train. We travel to Mumbai from train. There were many people around the house. So around is a preposition. There were many people in the house. The children were asked to come without their parents. To and without both are preposition. The children were asked to come with their parents. So dear students, we have seen prepositions. Okay, preposition where we must put prepositions before noun or after pronoun. Okay, so we have finished the preposition, that is chapter 7. Let us try to understand what are prepositions, and we will let us try to put the correct preposition in the correct place of the sentence. Thank you.